Ah, come on, Tim. Freaking threw gravel at me. Hitting the trails again. It was kind of fun the first time, so we're going to try it again. Woo! Maybe we'll go through a little bit faster this time. Probably not, but maybe. Oh my gosh. Maybe we don't need to. Oh, I forgot about these jumps. Well, me and Tim are going over them because we're men. Woo! Oh, men. Oh, we're men. Oh, man. Oh. Well, you know the way. Oh. Tim almost hit a tree. Yep. I guess. Yeah, he almost hit a tree. Right? Oh. Ow. This is what owning a mini bike is all about. Just if you want to do wheelies, you do wheelies, but you got to explore, you got to adventure, you got to have a little bit of fun. Obviously, you're not going to be here first day, but eventually you'll get here, and it's a lot of fun. Oh, Tim almost lost it. He keeps slamming his rear brake, and he just keeps sliding it out really far. Oh. Wish we had trails like this back in Fayetteville. Like this one is, you know, people don't get mad at you when you're back here, so. Oh yeah, here's route trail. Oh. Dude, it's a freaking root. It's a freaking root coming out of, oh my gosh. Alright, I gotta put my freaking visor up. Jesus, it's hot. Whose idea was it to come back here again? Oh. It is fun, but my goodness, is it bumpy right there. Oh, here's Leaf Trail. Yeah, this is legit Leaf Trail. Oh yeah. Woo! Me too. Woo! Yeah, I really wish we had a trail like this. This would be a lot of fun back in our city. Oh. Cool bridge. That was fun. Yeah. Whew. Ow, I bottomed out on that. Oh, I see. Yeah. Smells, but it's a bridge. Yeah. I was like turning and I was like trying to save it. Oh, okay. More wide open. Here comes a wheelie. That looks sketchy because it was freaking so wavy. Woo, oh God. Ow, that was a hole. Alright guys, shut the hell up. Alright guys, we had a lot of fun today. We are back at my truck. So we're going to load up, head back to Fayetteville, see what we can get into. Actually just did a wheelie over here and freaking some girls were waving. So that was pretty cool. But see you guys next time.